want to share with you a fun little time-saving hack that lets you update your content on your landing page or even multiple landing pages all in seconds. So we're going to learn how to edit content across multiple pages simultaneously, while also even having the ability to create draft content for the future to publish when we're ready. So a use case for this is as follows. Let's say you have some really awesome Black Friday deals coming up. It's that time of year. And so some of these details can't be released yet. They are top secret. They're going to be released later on. And you want your landing page to reflect the latest deals. You want to be able to update it as new information comes out and is made public. And maybe you have multiple landing pages with this information, or you're a direct sales leader and you have multiple teammates who have pages with this information, or you're a virtual assistant, you have multiple clients all with pages that need to be updated with this information. I don't want you to have to go into every single page to update it. You can do it all in one spot. The key is you're going to centralize the work by creating a Canva design that contains what you want to promote. Then you will embed that design in every landing page you want it to be. Then the magic happens because you can control your content inside that one Canva design, and then your update will show up on every page that contains that embedded design. So right here inside Canva, I've created a simple multi-page design where I went ahead and laid out my future content. I don't want you to have to come in here and actually delete and add photos and things like that every day. Instead, I went ahead and laid out that, before the deals drop, I'm going to show this screen. And then I have other deals dropping on November 20th with a flyer. November 24th, I have 3 pages of flyers for people to see, more information Cyber Monday, Giving Tuesday, and on it goes. So I've created this multi-page design that I'm going to put into my landing page. You don't have to plan out this other content ahead of time, but I like doing this, and I will show you in a moment why this works. And then this screen is showing you where I have embedded this into my Project Broadcast landing page. And so if you don't know how to do this and this technique that I've used, make sure that you watch my other video about how to embed a Canva design, and make sure that it is in view mode, not watch mode. So my design is in here. It looks nice and clean. It's surrounded by my other content like my shopping button. But as you may have anticipated, Julie, this isn't going to work because people can just click through this kind of slideshow and see these other things. These are top secret. We don't want these to be revealed yet. Well, next comes our magic trick. Let's look at our Canva design again. You see, this design, I'll look over here in grid mode. This design is not actually meant to all be seen at once. Instead, I want to have this page showing now, and I want the others to be in like an unpublished mode or a draft mode. Well, what I'm going to do is drag over all those pages that I don't want people to see yet, and I'm going to go up here to hide them. That is all I have to do. Now they are no longer published. They are top secret. I can still edit them here in Canva. I can be working on them ahead of time, leading up to when they go public. But right now they are waiting in the wings. This can sometimes take a minute to go through. I'm just going to make sure that this saved, and then I'm going to go refresh that landing page and see how it looks. And you'll see that, in fact, it works. Now the person viewing this page can only see this first page of my Canva design. They can't click through and see the rest. So how does this work come Monday the 20th, when I do want them to see those deals? Well, all I have to do is come back to Canva. I can't hide all my pages at once, but if I unhide this one and then hide this one or delete it because I'm done with it, then, as you can predict, the person viewing a landing page containing this design will only see this 1120 page. So let's check that. I've refreshed my landing page, and in fact, it now shows my 1120 sales flyer page. So as you can see, I made an edit that affects what people see on my landing page without opening my landing page to do so. If I only have this on one landing page, that's not a huge deal, but if it's on 17 landing pages, this is a huge deal. Let's do one more change. So then on 1124, I want to reveal these 3 pages and hide that old one from the 20th. What's this going to look like? I'm going to go refresh my page again. And as you can see, people can tap through and check out those 3 pages that I want published today. You, of course, don't have to do that trick with the hiding and unhiding of pages. You can just go in and erase your content on your page and add in the new content if you want to. But I like the idea of the hiding and unhiding or publishing and unpublishing pages because it really lets you kind of batch your work out. You can plan out that future content and have it kind of waiting in a queue until it's ready for the big stage. So there can be lots of use cases for this technique, and not just for Black Friday deals. If you have a newsletter type landing page that you share with members of your team for them to use, and maybe it always follows a pretty similar setup and you're just updating some of the content on it, some of the graphics or even words on it over time. Well, those individual parts that are getting updated can be centralized in a Canva design. And then if you as the leader update your Canva design, that will propagate out to everyone using a landing page that contains that design embedded in it. So this would mean that your teammates don't have to actually import a brand new landing page template every month. They can keep the same landing page month after month after month that gets updated over time. And in addition, you can go ahead and start planning out your future content right there in Canva and just hide it until it's ready. Or maybe you're a virtual assistant helping multiple people with their landing pages, and you can update all of those at once without having to open up each individual account you're managing, let alone open up their landing page to edit one by one by one by one. Or maybe you just have multiple different pages on different topics, but they all point to the same monthly specials flyer, for instance. And so you feature the monthly specials in multiple places, and it's kind of a pain to go in every month to update all of those locations. With this trick, you can just create a single Canva design. You can call it specials, and it contains just the specials. And then you embed that across all your pages, and you can update them all at once. So the advantages here are the ability to edit across multiple pages at once, and the ability to create draft content for the future. Comment below if you're going to give this technique a try. I would love to hear.